What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making one of my most popular recipe videos that I ever made. We're going to be remaking it a little bit lighter and simpler to make this time, a little bit healthier. It's been a couple of years and this recipe got over 500,000 views or more. It is my chickpea recipe. It's going to be really delicious, colorful, super flavorful, and healthy. So let's get right to work. Alright, so let's go over the ingredients that we're using for this really simple salad. I have here 365 brand organic garbanzo beans, and these come in a BPA free can. I love these. They're incredibly cheap. They're non-GMO certified, organic, non-BPA, and I get these for $1 a can through Amazon. If you guys have Amazon, I'll provide the link below. You can order them through our link. We get a little 5% commission. You pay the same price. It benefits the channel. And there are 220 calories, 2 grams of fat, and they have 6 grams of fiber and 7 grams of protein. So the macros on these are amazing. And like I said, they're $1 a can, and it's I believe it's 3.5 servings per container. So they're great. They're great for making salads. They're great for making curries. They're great for making hummus. I will order 20 to 30 cans of these at a time through Amazon, and I pay $1 each. So great deal. Saves me a ton of money, and they're super healthy. I have here half of a diced bell pepper, a half of a minced red onion, and I minced it up real fine. I want the little pieces to get all over the recipe so you can really taste it at every bite. I have about 6 cloves of finely minced garlic, fresh always. And the reason why it is so much better to eat fresh onions and garlic non-cooked is because there is an enzyme and some phytochemicals in the allium family of vegetables that have cancer fighting properties, and they're incredibly beneficial for overall health and disease prevention. Once you cook them, they lose those benefits. So I always try to put fresh minced garlic and fresh onions in my salads and any recipes that I'm gonna eat raw. I have here about a half a cup, probably a third of a cup of minced fresh parsley. This is from my garden, and you guys probably already know the health benefits of parsley or any of these dark green herbs. They have tons of phytochemicals and things like that that are also great when eaten raw. Not to mention the delicious flavor. I have here about 2 small, medium-sized diced tomatoes, and these are organic. Organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. I think this brand is from Walmart. You guys can also order it on our website through Amazon. Organic olive oil. And this is my smoked sea salt with Thai chili. This is ground up Thai chili with smoked sea salt. It's absolutely delicious. If you guys have never tried smoked sea salt, I highly recommend it. You will never use regular salt again. I love this stuff. It gives so much flavor to the food. It is absolutely incredible. I'll provide a link for the smoked sea salt also. It will be below through our Amazon links. And that's basically it. This recipe I'm going to make a little bit more simple than the original, so it's more practical for you guys to make. Okay, so we're going to start out with a big bowl basically, and we're going to drop our chickpeas in. They have been rinsed from the liquid that was in them and kind of let out to dry a little bit. Now we're going to add peppers in no particular order. We're going to add these ingredients. Minced onions, and you guys can see how fine I minced those. You want them pretty fine, just so it spreads out all that flavor. Same thing with the garlic. Minced really small. You get a little bit of fresh garlic in every bite, so it's not like overpowering. You don't get like one big chunk of garlic and then you're like, oh man. All right, we got the diced tomato right in there, and the tomato, I chopped it and then I put it in a strainer also, so it would lose a lot of that liquid, just so it doesn't put a lot of liquid in the salad. Now we're gonna do our parsley. You guys can also do cilantro. You could add cucumbers to this. There's so many options. And with the parsley, I even use the stems. Just chop it up into little tiny pieces. A lot of the flavor is in the stem. I'm gonna go in with my olive oil, and I'm only gonna be using about a half a tablespoon of olive oil. So I watch my oil and my fats very closely. I try not to eat any more than a half to 1 tablespoon of oil per day, all combined. So that seems to be working great for me. You know, I feel healthy, I feel great, so I'm gonna keep it that way. So I'm gonna add about maybe a tablespoon and a half of cider vinegar. Then I'm gonna go in with our smoked salt, smoked chili salt, and I ground this in a spice grinder really fine, so the salt's actually really fine. It comes coarse and it also comes fine. I got the coarse kind and then I just ground it, but you guys can also get the fine smoked salt through our website. Look how beautiful all of that color. And what's great about this is that it's actually better the next day when these vegetables all absorb the seasoning. So you can take this anywhere with you in a Tupperware and eat it later. It is absolutely delicious. It doesn't take any heating. It's perfect on the go. I'm going to go ahead and taste a little bit just to make sure we're right on the salt. Perfect. So just gonna mix this up and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and serve. Okay guys, so here is the finished dish. Look at all that color. It is beautiful, not to mention super healthy, easy to make, and super cheap. You guys saw the ingredients that I use. They're very easy to find. We have the links below if you guys want to order them from Amazon. It helps the channel out. We get a little 5% commission when you order it through our links, and you pay the same price. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a perfect recipe to take on the go. If you're going to work, going to the office, you can put it in a Tupperware. Super healthy, loaded with nutrients and fiber and protein. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in and give this beautiful recipe a taste. This is amazing. The fresh parsley, the garlic, the onion, combined with the olive oil and the vinegar adds a little bit of zest. Super flavorful. The smokiness of the smoked salt and the chili give it a little bit of spice in there, extra kick of heat. It's got a little bit of a smoky taste behind it. This is something I could probably eat almost every day and never get tired of it.